The journey begins in the 18th century, with steam engines revolutionizing transportation and industry. Pioneers like James Watt pushed engineering boundaries, leading to the Industrial Revolution, which set the stage for future breakthroughs. Fast forward to the invention of the telegraph by Samuel Morse, connecting people across continents and paving the way for instant communication. The 20th century ushered in computers, thanks to visionaries like Alan Turing, leading to the digital age. Now here we are in the era of smartphones, where technology fits in our pockets, connecting us like never before. Just imagine, future innovations like AI-powered holograms might soon be a reality.